The blind spot warning BSW system can help alert the driver of other vehicles in the blind spot area when changing lanes. The BSW system uses radar sensors installed near the rear bumper to detect other vehicles in the blind spot area. The radar sensors detect vehicles on either side of your vehicle within the detection zone. The detection zone starts from the outside mirror of your vehicle and extends approximately 10 feet behind the rear bumper and approximately 10 feet to the side of your vehicle. The BSW system operates above approximately 20 miles per hour. If the radar sensors detect a vehicle in the detection zone, the BSW RCTA indicator light located on the mirror illuminates. If the turn signal is then activated, the system chimes twice, and the BSW RCTA indicator light flashes. The BSW RCTA indicator light continues to flash until vehicles move out of the detection zone. There may be instances when you want to turn the blind spot warning system off. You can push this switch to turn the system on or off. To enable or disable the system, use these controls to select settings, driver assistance, blind spot, then warning BSW to toggle the system on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.